Hey, I've got another video tutorial for you. This is called the grandfather clock. It's going to end up looking like that. Same kind of motion you get when you do the pendulum versus tri-catcher weights, where for 1 second they're kind of aligned like that. So to learn it, you need to know your 1.5 hands together. Normally do 1.5 like that, but learn hands together, definitely. Because the grandfather clock is basically taking that into a wall plane. So the movement for each hand, I like to do, you can do forward butterfly or backwards, reverse, whatever. I like to do reverse butterfly. So each hand is going to be going one swing, pendulum, pendulum, one swing, pendulum, pendulum, one swing, pendulum, pendulum. And the same is true with the other hand. They're in reverse butterfly. Pendulum, pendulum. And I like to get into it from my thread the needle, like split time or same time, whatever. I like to let one kind of drop. And to make it look pretty, you could move your hand. You can move your hands in the direction of the one doing the pendulum. That way you kind of suspend that motion where they're doing that. So and together again. So yeah, have fun with it.